In recent hours, ConsumersEnergy has emerged as a trending topic in the finance and energy sectors. But why is this Michigan-based utility company gaining sudden attention across news feeds and investor platforms? In this video, we'll break down the possible reasons and what it could mean for customers, investors, and the broader economy. ConsumersEnergy is among the largest electric and natural gas utilities in America, serving more than 6.7 million Michigan residents. The company is an essential driver of industries, homes, and small businesses. Any change in its operations, rates, or policies can have far-reaching effects. In recent times, a number of significant developments have generated interest in ConsumersEnergy. They include discussions regarding upgrading infrastructure, shifts in electricity rates, and the company's overall transition toward cleaner, greener sources of energy. Investors are taking close notice of these actions, as they have the potential to either indicate long-term growth or higher short-term expenses. The biggest topic of discussion right now seems to be a rate increase that has been proposed. ConsumersEnergy asked for approval to raise rates to pay for upgrades to older infrastructure, decrease outages, and increase renewable energy initiatives. Although the company says these improvements are necessary, customers are concerned about increased monthly bills. At the same time, the energy industry as a whole faces threats from economic uncertainty and climate change. Companies such as ConsumersEnergy are likely to upgrade their infrastructure and shift away from fossil fuels. This presents both financial opportunities and challenges, particularly for shareholders. From a financial standpoint, ConsumersEnergy's investments in solar, wind, and battery storage mark a change in long-term strategy. The utility wants to become net zero for carbon emissions by 2040, something that shares a federal and state climate goal. Such changes tend to have public support and government subsidies behind them, but also demand a lot of capital. On the investment front, industry analysts are closely observing ConsumersEnergy stock and parent CMS Energy. Any news from the regulators on the rate hike or green energy fund could impact stock prices, dividends, and investor sentiment. Short-term volatility is inevitable, but the long-term scenario can still be positive if execution is robust. So what does this hold for the average customer? If the rate increase passes, utility bills may rise, but service quality and reliability could also increase. For investors, it might be an opportunity to invest in a utility stock that's stable and progressive. But careful scrutiny must precede decisions. At the core of the debate is a bigger question: how do energy companies balance sustainability with affordability? ConsumersEnergy is not unique in having to wrestle with this challenge. Utilities throughout the U.S. are making this same shift, and what transpires here has the potential to set the standard for the industry across the country. As this story keeps unfolding, we'll keep you posted on emerging news, market responses, and what's ahead in coming weeks. Whether you're a customer, an investor, or just someone keeping tabs on energy trends, stay ahead and stay informed.